We're waiting on sisters to come monitor our spinning.
All right, Evan, that's enough.
You happy this morning? Good morning. Oh, it's already warm.
It's really humid today.
So we thought we would do a day in the life today. We don't have anything exciting going on. It's just going to be normal, real life. Hey, Belle. Oh my gosh. I did have on clean clothes. We have been up since, the sun's in my eyes. We've been up since before 5 a.m. with Evan. A few of you have asked in the comments an update on his MRI. So Evan had a sedated MRI a few weeks ago to see if there was a finding for his central apnea. He has really bad sleep issues and he has obstructive and central apnea. So the findings were normal, which we're thankful for, but it's also a little bit discouraging because without a finding, it doesn't really offer us a solution. So he got up at 5 and you just saw spinning around like a maniac, happy, and we're dying. So I'm out here. I had locked up the chickens, or the rooster last night. My nephews came over and forgot to open it up. So they are ready to get out of there. We're gonna feed the animals quick and water the garden. And then we're gonna make some French toast. We are down to 4 goats, right? Protect me from the rooster while I get eggs. There are none. Come on, Bear. Bear. Come on. What a good boy. Everyone's fed. The adult dogs ate the puppy food, and the puppies ate the adult dog's food, so go figure. I'm not watering the dead corn anymore.
We got a hummingbird that's trapped. It thinks the blue is the sky. Has it been out here for all morning?
It's been out here since I walked out.
Flying?
Yeah, they're just hanging out.
Yeah, I think it.
Nest.
Huh?
Might be looking for a place to nest.
No, I think that it doesn't realize that that's not sky.
Oh my goodness. Sweet little thing.
I think it's worn out.
Is it injured?
I
If it was injured, it wouldn't be fine.
Oh, it's got like,
Oh my god.
yeah, that wing is tore up.
Aww. Hi, darling.
Spider webs on it.
Hi, darling.
She closed her eyes. She's tired.
Let's find a shady. Why don't you put her in those trees over in front of your office? Don't touch her, honey.
I'm not. See that hair coming off of her? See that spider web right there?
Yeah, don't touch her, baby. Why is she letting us get this close?
I don't even know it's
Let me get.
No, see that other hair right there?
She is so pretty. It's like an iridescent green.
Did you see her eyes closed? She's wore out.
sound like it's in the sky.
Look how fast she's breathing.
Aww. Okay, let's go put her in this tree.
Well, but she wasn't flying like, look at it. Look how she's sitting.
Yeah, it's probably just because of the brush. I don't know.
Where's she
Thank
going?
you. Goes right to a tree.
She's right there. And the screen on my car fluctuated between 118 and 120 degrees driving here. So it is hotter than Satan's breath. I guess that's true. So we just went to some places in downtown Waco. Waco, because of Magnolia, is kind of a popular place to visit. So there's a lot of fun things to do. We went to a fun boutique that is, it's like a lot of boutiques all put together. It's called Spice Village. And then we went to eat at kind of an upscale food court called Union Hall. And that was really good. My sister Lisa and two of her boys are in town for a couple days, so we're spending time with them. And we're headed to JCPenney's. My nephew Caleb is marrying a very sweet girl named Alyssa that we're so excited about in just a couple weeks. So we need to get some dresses and some things for the wedding. So we're heading there next in this heat. Okay, I'm gonna make Pioneer Woman's baked ziti tonight. It is already almost 5 o'clock. But this is what we had talked about earlier, so I'm gonna try to push through and go ahead and make this. We have our recipe card, not a printed out recipe, so we are getting close to having this project finished. If you are new to our channel, I've shared that I have 1,000 printed out recipes, and we are changing them and updating them to these recipe cards to make it more organized and easier. I don't prefer a digital copy. I really like to have a hard copy of a recipe. So I'm gonna make a double batch of this, a full gluten-free and a full regular. The gluten-free I will half and freeze half and eat half with me and my daughter Evelyn, and then the rest of the regular should be gone tonight probably. The only thing I think I'm missing is the minced garlic, and I have my gluten-free side and my regular side. And the only thing that I'm changing is it calls for a pound of Italian sausage and a pound of ground beef per recipe, but to stretch everything and it tastes great, I'm just gonna do the 1 pound of Italian sausage. So it calls for a can of whole tomatoes, but I'm gonna use crushed because she ends up having you crush the whole tomatoes. So an onion, an egg, some red pepper flakes. The only thing that's not shown here is the cheese. It calls for ricotta cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan. So I'm gonna start by getting the 2 separate pots of water going.
Get down, girl.
Goodness. Well, I love you too. Your sharp little claws.
And then watch.
Okay, friends. I don't know, what time is it? 7:30ish?
No, it's like 8:15.
Oh, 8:15. Home stretch. Today has been a day. It's still over 100 degrees out here. I just came out here to help Brian feed and water the animals for the night, and it's almost hard to breathe. Like, it just feels thick in the air, right? And I feel kind of dizzy. I don't know if dizzy's the word. Like, I don't know. It's miserable. We heard from our dogs are going crazy. We heard from our water company today, and we're in such a drought here that they are limiting our water. And we got notice that it could go to rationing, where we can no longer water our yards or gardens or anything. So we're not there yet, but that's probably coming. So all my little seeds that I started again may not have a future if I can't get them out here and get them watered. But I don't think anything lives in 107 plus. The puppies are in the water. They're covered in mud. So we got Evan to bed. I pray he sleeps for many hours. We have 4 puppies left here on the farm with us, and 2 are going home this week. And we still have Anna and Jasmine available. Jasmine originally had a family selected for her, and then that fell through. So we have 2 puppies ready to go home, 2 females. If anyone is interested, we would love to chat with you about that. They are just darling. Definitely growing bigger. Everyone's barking. So dinner was really, really good. Really filling, kind of heavy for how hot it is. The sky's so pretty out here. I don't know what they see. They see something over there. So we're going to go ahead and close out this video and try to go inside and cool off and get some rest. Thank you all for supporting our channel and helping us reach. We reached 10,000 subscribers last week. So that's really fun. We don't quite know what we're going to do to celebrate, but it was a fun milestone to reach, and we couldn't have done it without each one of you. So thank you so much. If you have not already subscribed, we would love to have you join our family. And I'm just curious, like, leave a comment where you live and what was the high temperature today. Just curious if anyone else is struggling. I'm sure a lot of you are in the heat with us, and some of you probably have some fantastic weather right now, so we'd love to live vicariously through you. Anyways, friends, we will see you soon. Y'all have a blessed night. Bye-bye.